Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can add products to your wish list on Amazon. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.amazon.com and hit enter. After the home page of Amazon opens up on your screen, make sure that you're logged in. Once you make sure that you're logged in, choose a product that you want to add to your wish list. So let's say, for example, I want to add this book to my wish list. So simply I'll have to click on it, which will open up the book on my page. Now scroll down and on the right hand side of your screen find this add to list option and click on it. Once you click on the add to list option, this box will appear on your screen. Now you can name your list here. Let's say I want it to be books and then click on this create list option. As you can see on my screen, the item has been added to the books list. To view the books list, I can just simply click on this option, which will open the list on my screen. I hope this video helped you to create a wish list on Amazon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.